Let everybody jump on here with us. Talk to us. Here we are. I'm doing all the work. Turtle and Mo. Mo eating boogers and Turtle done got drunk. He been drunk all day.
We are looking for a housekeeper.
Now, that's what he do. That's the housekeeper right here. Look at him.
Oh, we just got one. He
And anybody got any pretty women, y'all see, they call him Romeo Red. Straight out of Lepanto, Arkansas. Pritchard Road. What's going on, y'all? We had to break the news today. Mo ain't going to be racing too much with us. His racing career, it ended quick. Somebody got his girlfriend pregnant, so he got to take care of kids. Me and him was off racing, and the girlfriend got pregnant, so no more race cars. He got to take care of that baby. He gonna name the baby after him though. He don't care, right?
said he's gonna be Rob and Luther.
We'll be able to figure it out. Either red hair or a little dark. What's going on, y'all? Here we come. Power Sports Motor House, Florida. Y'all better get ready. Y'all think we playing? Red, see if this thing crank. You go mess with them women a little bit later, son. This dude can 7, 8 women. The damn youngster got all kind of women. Come on, man. Tell us crank the car. Crank it up for us. Y'all see what Turtle do? Turtle eat around here. See if it crank. Like they say, if it'll crunk, we ready. Man, we can. Oh. Who want them problems? Y'all can get it. Y'all be ready, because here we come. When we coming, Turtle? Tell them. 19th?
Friday and Saturday.
We coming Friday and Saturday, y'all, whatever this month is. I don't know what this month is. I think, what month is this, Mo?
March.
March. All right, we in March. Here we come, 19th and 20th. Small Tire going to be Friday night. Small Tire Friday night. I'm going to have that healthy here. We're going to FEMA trailer somebody. Then, yeah, we got plenty of action. Bobby gonna let you come, Turtle? Uh-oh. All right, y'all. We're gonna have a heifer here. Then we just now got finished working on, we got a tube chassis, old heavy sister. We got it right, too. It's looking right. This is all tube chassis, and whoever wants some action there, y'all can get it in Florida. Only thing we know is good in Florida is some oranges. And the people good, the racers ain't. We're gonna FEMA trailer them. We got this, I guess, a connection. We got this, it's a tube chassis. We coming. I think our fuel injection thing cut off right here. Well, we can't read it. We ain't gonna be able to read it, see if it's getting any fuel. What we gonna do, Turtle?
When it lean, it blows that out.
Ah, okay. Whoever wants some action, y'all can get it now. Get them call outs out. Here we come. We through playing with y'all. We got the heifer gonna be on small tire. We got that tube chassis here. We got it ready. Red probably gonna be driving there.
We got a black nose. That other black nose.
Ooh.
Whatever they want.
All right. Uh-oh. Don't think we playing with y'all now. We crazy, but we ain't always crazy. We got something else too. Ooh. Y'all can get some of that too. Don't think it ain't ready. It ain't for looks. It ain't fast, but it'll crank. Here we come. JJ the bow. Let me think if it, maybe see if this thing will work. Let's see if it'll work. Y'all think I'm playing with y'all? Yeah, zip tie. 327 double hump heads, zip tie on crack. Zip tie on steroids, crack, and Viagra. Yeah, we coming. Here we come, y'all. We're going to see y'all this weekend. Get them call outs ready. Power Sports Motor, here we come, y'all. Y'all get ready. We coming to Florida. Hope she don't get pregnant again while we gone. All right, we out of here.